Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your profile photo on Facebook private. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook application and log in your account. And now you want to click on the menu button or the three lines at the lower right corner of your screen and click on your profile. And now you can just go ahead and scroll down until you see your profile photo, or you can just go ahead and click on your profile photo here at the upper part of your profile and click on see profile picture. So now you can see these three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. So I just want to click on that, and you want to edit privacy. So now you want to choose only me so that you can only see your profile photo or other people can't react or share your profile photo. So just click done. So as you can see, when you check your profile photo again, here at the lower part of your username, you can see a padlock or the lock button or logo. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.